Hey YouTube, what you saying? It's the real Taliban here. Today, I bring you guys good news. I bring you guys solution. Trust me, big solution to what a lot of persons have been complaining about. Yeah, in this video actually, we'll be learning how to export your videos on CapCut, even with the pro features. Sounds amazing, right? Recently, I've seen a lot of people complaining on the internet that CapCut added Pro and they can't even edit their videos the way they want it anymore. They can't add some features to it because once they add it and once it's about time to export the videos, you won't be able to do it. So they'll ask you to pay for it. You know what the country is saying, and most Nigerians don't have money to pay for these things. But you have nothing to worry about because the real Taliban is here with a solution. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is locate your CapCut on your phone. Okay, this is my CapCut. Then you open it. So once that is opened, what you're going to do next is this. Okay, here is an ad. Let's cancel this. Okay, this same method is also applicable to your how you can do it on your laptop, on your tablet and all. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a cell phone, which I believe that's what most people also use. So it's the same process, it does not matter. Okay, so right now let's import a new project. So we're going to import a new video. It could be any video at all, any video you feel like you want to work on. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will just go with this one. Then let's import this. Click on add. Okay, once you click on add, let's play the video. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, alright, so that's pretty much it. Now let us try to add some pro features on this video. Okay, I'll just go to adjust. Then let us add this auto adjust to it because it's a pro feature. Now you can see it makes the video look so enhanced and popping. So these are these things CapCut wants you guys to pay for because the pro features makes your video look so good and clean. Now you can see the difference. It looks so sharp, right? Okay, let's minimize it. Now that we have added that, so now let's export this video from CapCut. So with your settings on already, your resolution 1080p, frame rate 30, code rate recommended. Now let's try to export this video and see if we will be able to export it. Now you can see it's not possible. So you guys will be like, then how are you going to do it? Don't worry guys, I got you guys covered. This is the message you got. You are using a pro feature. Join CapCut Pro to unlock the features. And right now the problem is I don't have money, you also don't have money, and we want this video exported. So here's the magic. So what we're going to do now is to screen record this video. So now let's expand this video so we can screen record it. So that was it. So after you finish recording your screen, you are going to exit your CapCut. So now what you're going to do next is you are going to import the video you screen recorded, right? So import a new project, and this was the video we screen record. Now you can see that. So we are going to play it and see what it looks like. So now you can see that, right? So what are we going to do? we are going to first off split this video, cut out the unnecessary parts. Like this part is unnecessary, this part. So you are going to click on the video, then you hit on split, delete the unwanted part. Then after you're done with that, the next thing you are going to do is crop the video. So this down part showing the minutes of the video won't be showing. So what you're going to do next is click on the video, scroll down till you see transform. So you click on transform, then resize. Once you click on that, then you adjust the video to the point where you won't see that stuff anymore, right? Then you also adjust it from the top as well, so it can fit just in like that. So once you're satisfied with your adjustment, you click on the check mark. Then you can play the video again to see how it looks now. Now you can see that, right? So if you want to go further to add more effects or do some editing to it, you can go ahead and do that. But mind you, don't add the pro features again this time, because we added it at the first edit and we screen recorded it and we imported the screen record, so we can export it this time without the pro features, without getting any message that we have to pay for anything. So now you can see there's nothing like pro stuff beside the 1080p anymore. So if you want to go ahead and export your video in 1080p 4K, you can go ahead and do that right now. So let's export this video now. You can see we are not going to get any message that we should pay for anything anymore. So you can see that that's just pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So if this video has been helpful to you, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell button, so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you guys for watching. My name is The Real Taliban. I'll see you guys again. And if you have any question, do well to put them in the comments. I'm going to respond to all of it. Thank you. See you guys again. Bye for now. Peace.